This steel wool candle wick is fake. You've seen this all over YouTube. People say it burns forever, but steel wool doesn't wick fuel. So this is a myth, but I'll show you what actually works. Have you seen those videos claiming you can make an endless burning candle wick out of steel wool? I tested it. Here are the primary reasons why a metal wick made from a scouring pad does not work or is even dangerous. 1. Lack of capillary action. A candle only burns because liquid wax is transported upward to the flame via capillary action. Cotton consists of extremely fine fibers with microscopic gaps that suck the wax upward like a sponge. Scouring pads. The metal threads are far too coarse. The gaps between the wires are too large to build up the necessary suction tension for the viscous wax. As a result, the flame either starves or burns extremely inconsistently. 2. Extreme thermal conductivity. Metal is an excellent conductor of heat, whereas cotton is not. A metal wick conducts the heat of the flame directly deep into the body of the candle. This often causes the entire volume of wax in the jar to liquefy, rather than just a small pool around the wick. This significantly increases the risk of a wax fire. If the entire mass of wax reaches its ignition temperature, the flame is no longer restricted to the wick. Instead, the entire surface of the candle can ignite instantly, similar to a grease fire. 3. Toxic fumes and coatings. Kitchen scouring pads are not designed to be heated. Many are made of galvanized steel or contain alloys that can release toxic metal oxides when heated. I'll show you a real DIY candle wick that actually works, lasts a long time, and is perfect for camping, bike campers, and outdoor use. If you like honest DIY tests and real outdoor solutions, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which DIY myth I should test next.